laulame mere vagast valjuks.
Everything was underswear. The birds trying to throw the monkey off of his back, but the monkey grabbed his neck and said, "Now listen, Jack. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right. Straighten up and fly right. Well, Papa, don't you go down south. Ain't no use in diving. What's the use of trying? Straighten up and fly right. Down, Papa, don't you go down south. The birds have told the monkey you are choking me. Release your hold and I will set you free. The monkey looked the birds right in the eye and said, "Your story's so touching, but it sounds like a lie. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right.